Mountain Hardwear is a company that's always been focused on meaningful performance for people who really use their gear.
Whether it's for climbing, skiing, hiking.
There are a lot of different tribes that we address. The runner, the mountain biker, the people who are going out their back door and pushing their limits.
We really believe in making product that performs extremely well.
Supreme quality, searching the world over for the finest materials.
Pushing the boundaries of technology and pushing the norm.
For a lot of the products we design, it really does start at the athlete level.
These are human beings that are literally creating movements inside their sports.
We're trying to build product for the badass athletes that we have.
Ueli Steck is one of our greatest sources of inspiration.
The future of cutting-edge alpinism is how fast and how light you can go.
Ueli is the best alpinist in the world.
He's really defining a style of climbing that really hasn't existed.
Absolutely hauling ass up these insane routes with no ropes.
I did this speed ascents in the Eiger face on the Matterhorn, and then I was thinking about 8,000 meter peaks. I want to take this to the Himalaya. That's where you can really push the limits. I train really hard, I work really hard on my skills, but the same I'm doing also on product.
He knows exactly what he wants.
It has to be light, simple, durable, and it has to fit me.
He wants high-performance jackets, sleeping bags, tent, backpack that all relate and integrate together into one system.
A system that works together.
So he can perform better.
Every detail is really important. You can be as strong as you are, but if your equipment is not what you need, you're just busted.
When Ueli first started talking about his idea and his project, it was sort of a little bit jaw-dropping.
I really thought the guy was nuts.
But then you start talking to him and he's got everything so well thought out down to the gram. Then you start getting excited and you think, yeah, I can do this. So, if he can do this, I can build a garment that's going to help him get there.
He had very, very specific needs.
Fit was key.
Supreme climate control.
Everything has to fit into a tiny pack.
Incredibly lightweight, uber lightweight.
But it still has to be protective above 8,000 meters.
It was definitely a challenge.
Ueli started working with our design teams, our fabric engineers, our product teams.
Ueli is a minimalist.
He was scrutinizing every gram. It's all about removing the non-essential features.
No extra features whatsoever than what he needs.
And so we built jackets without pockets.
Half zipper, no pockets, nothing. That's the jacket I want.
We've built packs without straps. We've made a sleeping bag with no zipper on it.
I don't need it, it's just extra weight.
How minimal can we make this stuff and still have him come back in one piece?
When we started with the whole line, we shaved off like 10 grams here and 10 grams here. And that, I may be too much Swiss about that, but this is how you drive a product to the far end.
In the end, we were able to create his entire kit. The pack, the sleeping bag, the tent, his down layers, his inner layers, the whole kit, under 10 pounds.
Under 10 pounds, that's quite nice, isn't it?
What we're learning from our collaboration with Ueli is really trickling into the rest of our line. Incredibly lightweight, very intelligently designed products that function flawlessly.
The end result of the whole process is like, while you go climbing, you're out there, you don't have to think about your gear, you just enjoy the mountains and you climb.
Mountain Hardwear's single goal has always been to allow people to challenge the edges of their potential. Ueli turned it on us in this project and challenged us to push our potential further.
As a designer, that's exactly what you want to do. That's who you want to work with.
The whole team now, I think, there's such a great spirit and everybody's pulling on the same rope, to go the same direction, and I'm very happy about that.
Nothing energizes us more than people who come and share their big dreams with us and ask us to help be a part of their journey.
Putting a little part of ourselves and Mountain Hardwear and our apparel and our gear into his goals.
It's the coolest thing in the world. I mean, I don't have a runway. I don't have like New York Fashion Week, I've got Ueli soloing, testing my stuff out. I'm excited for what he's about to do, for how he's going to use this collection, and to just be as involved as I can in his achievements. There's no feeling like it. I mean, it makes me so proud.